Hi, welcome to day 8 of our 30 days to clutter-free living challenge. Today is all things relating to little ones. So if you don't have any kids, then congratulations. You can spend today doing anything else that you would like. Maybe skip ahead to the next day or revisit a day that maybe you were struggling with prior. Or you can also use this time to focus on pets if you have pet items, toys, all that stuff lying around. The goal is not to do a full declutter on everything that belongs to your children because that could be very time consuming. So you're really just going through their clothes, their toys, books, and looking for things that you know immediately are something that they no longer play with, an outfit that no longer fits them, something that is stained. So really just trying to spend maybe 30 minutes today going through, looking at as much as you can and just removing anything that you know absolutely does not work for you and your little ones anymore. My littlest one is 14 now, so they decluttered their own room, which was wonderful. And I will certainly double check the progress there. But again, you're just looking for things they've aged out of or things that are stained, torn, or no longer used. So good luck with today, and I'll see you tomorrow.